How to search and find WhatsApp voice messages or notes. This tutorial shows you how to locate and arrange your audio messages. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Search to access the search function. At this point, type keywords related to the voice message or note you're looking for. In the next step, tap on the filter icon to refine your search results. Following this, select audio or voice messages from the media type options. Once done, WhatsApp will show only voice messages and audio files matching your search. From here, you can scroll through the results to find specific audio messages. At this stage, tap on any voice message to play it directly from the search results. After this, if you want to see all audio in a chat, open that conversation. Once completed, tap on the contact name at the top to open chat info. Finally, scroll down and tap on Media, Links, and Docs. Then select Audio to see all voice messages from that chat arranged chronologically. And that's it. If this voice message search guide helped you organize your WhatsApp audio, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.